Let's see very easy and very fast how we can start mentioning anyone in your WhatsApp stories. For this, it is important that you have added that person in your contacts on your phone. Then go to the updates section and make a WhatsApp story as you have always done. So far, there is no difference. Once here, click on the mentions icon and look for the contact you want to mention in your story. After this, upload your story. You will be able to see the person you mentioned by following these simple steps with your WhatsApp story.